What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Jack's Baseball Collection. Today we have the August version of Philmington's rookie card explosion box. This is the standard version. This is not the high end. I didn't make it to the website on time to get the high end this month, so we're gonna have to go without it. I was really hoping I could get my hands on both. I have a subscription to this one. I know he's reopening subscriptions to the high end, but I just didn't get there in time. That's okay, though. Saved a couple bucks. I forget what this lineup is. I know that the regular box is supposed to have absolute fire this month. Let's get all these packs out of here first. Empty this out. All right. So we're looking at 2018 Bowman Draft Jumbo. Looking for Austin Riley and Kyle Tucker. 2018 Topps Series 2, Ohtani, of course, and Acuna. 2018 Topps Retail, Topps Update Retail, Ohtani, Acuna, and Soto. 2021 Bowman Heritage. We got Julio Rodriguez, Adley Rutschman, Bobby Witt Jr. 2021 Topps Chrome Retail. Chisholm. What was that? Andres Jimenez, Jared Kelenic, Auto. McClanahan, Bohm 2023 Topps Chrome. That's what we've been opening up a ton of, obviously. Corbin Carroll, Rutschman, Young, everybody from this year. 2023 Topps Heritage. Pretty much the same lineup there with them. So let's set these up the way we want to open them. We're probably going to go with that first. Save the 18 for last. The Chrome. The Chrome. Something like 2021 Heritage. All right, Bowman Heritage. That's right, Bowman Heritage. So we're going to start with 2023. 2023, right? Yeah, 2023 Topps Heritage. This is one of my favorites. I open a ton of this. If you guys are subscribers to the channel, you know that. And if you aren't, please do like and subscribe. And don't forget, if you subscribe, turn the notifications on because I do flash giveaways. They're announced 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes prior. And if you ain't in it, you can't win it. So the only way to really know that it's going on is to see the notification. We got a Seth Brown, Nick Gordon, O'Neal Cruz, Jerickson Profar, Matt Stram, Garrett Hill, New Age Performers of George Kirby, 2022 Strikeout Leaders, and a Sean Murphy. So not much going on in there. Make sure there's no short prints, nothing going on. And there is not. That's okay. There's going to be something in here. I feel it. 2021 Bowman Heritage. I already forgot who we're looking for in this one. But I could do that later. I could just breeze right past a phenomenal card and you guys could all make fun of me. All right, we got a Nick Biscuit. We got a Christian Hernandez. Jeffrey Espinal. Mike Yastrzemski. Heston Kjerstad. Leover Peguero. Black and white. I don't know how rare those are. Maybe there's one per pack. Kobe Mayo. Ooh, we got an Anthony Volpe. Centering is disgusting on it, but the centering is real bad on that. Wow. But it's Bowman. It's chrome. We'll sleeve that up. We'll put that on stage, even though it looks like my 2.5-year-old cut it with safety scissors. We have a Milcar Perez, also in chrome. And we have a Luis Toribio. Milcar Perez. Don't know too much about him. When was he born? He was born in 90 or 01. I was about to say, Jesus, you're an old rookie. Colby Mayo, that one's nice. All right, moving on to Bowman Draft. This is 2015. What? Did I read that correctly? Is this supposed to be in there? It is in there. It was supposed to be in there. Nice fat pack here. And we got a thickie. Woo! All right. How do we do this? We'll bring these ones up to the front, and then I'll slip past that thickie. Keep us all in suspense. We've got, oh man, I can't read these from the side like that. Bradley Zimmer, Daniel Robertson. These are always so hard to read. Jordy Lahr. I'm hoping you could see the angle better in the camera because it's like trying to read just the chrome letters. Jake Cronenworth, first. All right, we'll put that on the side for now. Brian Mundell. Ryan Helsley. Thomas, yeah, I'm not going to try saying that. Jagger Rusconi. Alex Reyes, Jose De Leon, Alec Jackson. You really can't read these. Tyler Alexander, Connor Biggio. Can't read that. Willie Calhoun. Actually, Willie Calhoun, I'll set that one aside. I tend to like him. Andrew Benintendi first. Colby Allard, John Harris, Peter Lambert. Did I say Mariano Rivera? What? Does Mo have a son that plays? I don't know. We'll put that one on the side just in case that's something that I don't know what it is. Blake Perkins, Braden Bishop. All right, getting into the chrome cards. And what we'll do with this, I can't tell what that one is. So we're going to do that. Oh, please be somebody big. We got Michael Chavis, Austin Meadows, AJ Reed. We got a first of Drew Finley, a first of Chris Betts, Kevin Kramer first, refractor of Connor Biggio first, first of Dylan Moore. Whoa, there's an autograph in here. Jake Woodford. That's not even a thick card. What is this? I think that's, is that the first auto I've ever gotten from a RC Explosion box? What is this? Garrett Whitley, Draft Night. Which was the thick card? Oh, I messed that up. That was the thick card. All right. Well, and it's a first. Jake Woodford. Did I say Jared Woodford? I just finished a 16-hour shift, so I apologize. My head's a little bit scrambled at the moment. Nice to get an auto, though. Gonna have to move the stage over. Sorry, Anthony. See, if you didn't have so much weight on the other side, you'd be better balanced. It's your fault, not mine. All right, these Draft Night cards, I don't know too much about them at all. We'll set that one off to the side just in case it's something cool. What are we going to do next? We'll do the 2023 Chrome. Can't get enough of it. I don't see anything thick here. We got the Vaughn Grissom. We got a Future Stars of Mackenzie Gore. We got a James Outman. And a Joey Meneses. Very nice. Meneses had a big night I'm opening these up. This is for, what's today? Thursday night. Julio Rodriguez went 5 for 5, I believe, if I remember it correctly. I believe he went 5 for 5. He had a home run, and he had 5 RBIs. Yes, that did happen tonight. All right, we got 2021 Topps Chrome. Trying to keep these piles separate. Come on, Thicky. I don't see one. I don't see one. We got DJ LeMahieu. We do got a pink. We got Nate Pearson. A Sonny Gray. And the pink is going to be Chris Davis. So no rookies. And oh, there is a rookie. Nate Pearson. That is a rookie. Next on to 2018 Series 2. What do we want to do? 2018 update or 2018 Series 2? Huh. All right, we'll go for the Series 2 first. Come on, Gold Ohtani in one of these 2 packs. Nothing crazy, just like a Gold Ohtani or an autograph, an Ohtani autograph. Carlos Martinez, Clayton Richard, Caleb Joseph, landscape cards, Jared Dyson. We got a National League All-Star of Gary Carter, 35 year. Oh man, that really effed my head up. I just saw an Angels hat and I was like, woo. Jesse Chavez, Lucas Duda, Jared Hughes, Dan Straley, and Justin Boer. All right, on to the last pack. This one's going to have a Gold Ohtani in it. I can feel it. We have an Aroldis Chapman, Asdrubal Cabrera, Matt Kemp, Zach Little. What do we got here? A little rainbow foil of Asdrubal Cabrera. Same card, just shiny. What are you? International Affair, Hideki Matsui. And then we got a Tommy Pham. Rookie combos of the correct team but the wrong players. Justin Verlander from the All-Star game. And the last card is Brad Ziegler. So, no Ohtanis. We did get an auto, though. So, overall, not bad at all. And we got this Volpe. It's highly off-center, but it's still a Volpe, so we'll take it. And that's going to do it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. By the time you see this, yes, the 100-card giveaway would have been done, but I'm excited for it. So, tune in, and I'll see you all later.